feels great to be able to get together like this, doesn't it?
Really great. I'm really excited that we get to be in person, have such beautiful weather, and celebrate together.
It's been a lot of work.
Well, it feels pretty damn good.
It's a great feeling.
Excited, glad to be done, ready to move on to the next day.
For the past 147 years, we have focused on one thing: producing the top scientists and engineers, industry leaders and entrepreneurs, and the knowledge and innovations that the world needs.
The outside world knows us as a bunch of nerdy engineers, but I have come to learn that we are so much more. Our passions for engineering brought us together, but our diversity is what makes us so impressive.
I'm an international student and then transferred to Mainz, so I'm really proud of this day.
It was nice to be coming back after last year. Waited a long time for this, so.
The Mainz degree instantly commands respect. It communicates a strong work ethic and perseverance, and it indicates that you are resilient, a great team player, and that you're ready to tackle anything.
Just surreal that the 5 years is really coming to an end, and excited to take what I learned here in Mainz and apply it to industry.
Feels really good. I'm definitely going to miss being here. It was a great 4 years, but I'm excited for the next journey, and I think Mainz has prepared me well for that.
Go Ore Diggers!
Go Mainz!
Go Ore Diggers!
Go Ore Diggers!